Hi students, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss these four problems. These four problems based on trigonometry sections. So all these problems came your EITP and JEE Mains exam. So I will discuss one by one problem. So see the first problem. Let cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5 and sin alpha minus beta equals to 5 by 13, and the range of alpha beta is 0 to pi by 4. Now you have to find the value of tan 2 alpha. So see, cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5. So think this is a x angle. Okay. So at first I have drawn one right angle triangle. So this angle is alpha plus beta. Okay. So cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5. That means base divided by hypotenuse. So now we have to find this perpendicular length. So perpendicular length means 5 square minus 4 square. So it will come 3. So this thing is 3. So tan alpha plus beta equals to 3 by 4. It is clear. Okay. Now go for the second thing. Sin alpha minus beta equals to 5 by 13. Clear? Okay. Now we will draw one right angle triangle. This angle is alpha minus beta. Okay. So sin alpha minus beta equals to 5 by 13. That means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now we have to find the base length. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that root under 13 square minus 5 square. So we will get root under 144. So that means 12. So this thing is 12. So tan alpha minus beta equals to 5 by 12. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find the value of tan 2 alpha. So tan 2 alpha means we can write equals to tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Clear? Think alpha plus beta equals to x and alpha minus beta equals to y. So this is the form of tan x plus y. So tan x plus y means tan x. X means alpha plus beta plus tan alpha minus beta. Tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Clear? Okay. Tan alpha plus beta means 3 by 4. Okay. Now we substitute these values. So 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Clear? Okay. Now we will take this portion, take LCM 48. So So if we take the LCM 48, that means we will get 12 into 3, 36 plus 20. And the denominator portion, 4 into 12, that means 48. So 48 minus 15. Clear? Okay. Now see, here 48 and this 48 will cancel. So we will get 36 plus 20, that means 56, divided by 48 minus 15, that means 33. So this is your final answer. Okay, so if you want, then you can take one screenshot. Okay. Now see the question number 2. This problem came in JEE 2011. Okay. So the question is A equals to sine square x plus cos to the power 4x. Now we have to find the range of A. That means at first I am writing the expression. So A equals to cos to the power 4x plus sine square x. Okay. So sine square x means we can write the 1 minus cos square x because this is the Pythagorean identity. So cos square x minus, cos to the power 4x plus 1 minus cos square x. Okay. Now see these two terms, this term and this term. So we have to write like this expression as a minus b the whole square. See, cos to the power 4x means we can write cos square x that whole square minus 2 into a means cos square x. So this is cos square x. But see here the coefficient of cos square x is only minus 1. So but here is minus 2. So we have to multiply these things by half. So this is the b. So we have to write here b square. Clear? Now see 1. We add this expression b square. So here we have to subtract these things. That means 1 by 2 the whole square, that means 1 by 4. So see cos square x and these things will come cos square x minus half that whole square plus 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the whole square term. Whole square term always greater equals to 0. We know that cos square x minus 1 by 2 that whole square greater equals to 0. Okay, so the minimum value of this expression is 0. Clear? So the minimum value of A is A minimum equals to 0 plus 3 by 4. That means 3 by 4. Okay. Now see, we all know one more property, that is the range of cos x is minus 1 lesser equals to cos x lesser equals to 1. So the maximum value of cos x is 1. So we put the value of cos x here. Okay, so we will get, because we put the maximum value, so I am writing A max equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 that whole square plus 3 by 4. So this is 1 minus 1 by 2, that means half square, that means 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So it will come 1. So the maximum value of A is 1 and and minimum value is 3 by 4. So the range of A is 3 by 4 less than equals to A less than equals to 1. So this is your final answer. See, if you want, then you can take one screenshot. Okay. Now I am going to start to discuss question number 3. You just read the question number 3. This problem came in JEE Maths 2013. So the question is, one expression is given. Okay, so we have to tell that this expression can be written as this form or not. If we can write that this expression written as like this format, that means the statement is true, otherwise false. So see, at first I am writing the expression. So the expression is tan A divided by 1 minus cot A. That means tan A divided by 1 minus cot A. Cot A means 1 by tan A. Okay. Plus cot A. Cot A means 1 by tan A. So 1 by tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. Clear? Okay. Now you just see here tan A is LCM, but its tan A will go this numerator. So tan A into tan A divided by tan A minus 1, tan A minus 1, and these things will come 1 divided by tan A into 1 minus tan A. Okay, so now take the LCM tan A into 1 minus tan A. So we will get tan A into 1 minus tan A. But see one thing, this is the form of tan A minus 1 and here 1 minus tan A. So we can take common minus, that means the upper portion, that means the numerator will come tan cube A, because this is tan square, here tan. So tan cube A. And these things plus 1. Okay. So the numerator is the form of A cube minus B cube. Okay, 1 minus tan cube A. So we can write 1 minus tan A into A square means 1 plus AB. That means 1 into tan A, that means tan A plus B square. B square means tan square. Clear? Divided by tan A into 1 minus tan A. So see one thing, that 1 minus tan A, numerator and denominator, these things came. So 1 minus tan A will cancel. So we can write like that, 1 plus tan A plus tan square A by tan A. Okay, so see, here we can divide each term. Okay, so separately if we divide, then we will get 1 by tan A plus 1 plus tan A. Clear? Okay, 1 by tan A means cot A. Cot A means in terms of cos and sine, we can write cos A divided by sine A. And see this tan A. Tan A we can write sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A plus 1. Okay, this one. So here we can take LCM sin A into cos A. So if we take the LCM sin A into cos A, that means we will get, see, sin A cancel, so the numerator will come cos square A plus sin square A plus 1. So we all know that this sin square A plus cos square A means 1. That means 1 divided by sin A into cos A. So 1 divided by sin A means cosec A, and 1 by cos A means sec A plus 1. So the expression we can write like that, sec A into cosec A plus 1. So cosec A into sec A plus 1. So the above mentioned expression is true. Okay, so the answer is true. This problem came JEE Mains 2013. If you want, then you can take one screenshot. Okay, now see. Now we will discuss question number 4. Just see the question. Question number 4. Let f kx equals to 1 by k sin to the power kx plus cos to the power kx. Here this x belongs to real number set and this k always greater or equals to 1. So you have to find the value of f4x minus f6x. This problem came JEE Mains 2014. So see, we have to find the value of f4x minus f6x. So I am writing that things. f4x minus f6x. Clear? Okay. So f4x means here we have to substitute k equals to 4. If we put k equals to 4, that means we will get sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x by 4. Clear? Okay. Now here we have to put k equals to 6. That means we can write minus sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x by 6. Okay. Now see the numerator portion. So we have to simplify the numerator portion. So first thing is sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. That means we can write now sin square x plus cos square x, that whole square, minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. Clear? Okay. So here sin to the power 4x, that means sin square x, that whole square, plus cos to the power 4x, that means cos square x the whole square. So that means here we applying the formula of a square plus b square equals to a plus b, that whole square, minus 2ab. So you can see that sin square x plus cos square x means 1. That means we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x by into cos square x by 4 minus. Now see this numerator, sin to the power 6x, sin to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. So these things we can write sin square x that whole cube plus cos square x that whole cube. So this is the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means we can write a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here a square means sin to the power 4x minus sin square cos square x, that means ab, plus cos square x, that means b square, that means cos to the power 4x. Clear? So sin square x plus cos square x means 1. And you can see that sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. So before that we evaluate this value, sin square x plus cos square x equals to these things. That means we substitute this value here. So sin to the power x plus cos to the power 4x, that means we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and here 1 more minus sin square x cos square x is given. So we can write 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Clear? Okay. Now we just substitute this value here. So we will get 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x divided by 6. So if we take LCM 12, that means this term and this term will cancel. Just see this. So we will come 3 minus 2, because 4 3s are 12, that means this 3 is come, and 6 2s are 12, that means this 2 is coming. Okay, and here 3 2s are